What is good, guys? It is July 7th, but I am not trading this morning because I hit a nice banger last night during Asia's session. So on July 6th, um I hit this trade and I'm going to be going over it. So on the hourly, we were currently trending upwards, but as you can see, the objectives below us are much more dangerous than trading to, let's say, this high. So the reason why I didn't want to look for longs is because why isn't okay, here we go. What's more important, this high or all of this LRL below? All of these unmitigated, 4 hour unmitigated, low resistance down here. You know what I mean? So to go higher, I wanted to see some bearish movement. So Asia opened up right here, I believe, and real shit, I did lose 2 or 3 trades trying to catch this one, and I'm not happy about it because I know it was a little bit emotional, but I was so convicted on this trade that I just had to take the last setup. Just trying to map out these trades. One was here. One was here. Pretty sure that was it. I might have lost one more, but I don't even know the setup. But listen, so these 2 setups are here. The first one, I wanted to see this first fair value gap immediately bring price down, which didn't really make sense. I was just trying to jump the gun. And then this one, we also hit a fair value gap. Again, I tried to jump the gun, didn't wait for any confirmation. So now we went over those. We can get rid of these, and let's go over the main trade. So first of all, like I said, the hourly is really ugly. I really wanted to see it go lower. Take out this stuff. Take out this. Take out this. Take out this. I don't even know if it's gonna go this far, but what the heck? Um, what did I just do? Okay, but anyway, like I was saying, I don't want to trade higher when there's all this LRL below, when there's these hourly unmitigated. It's just not probable. I don't like it. So price was already turning lower. I wanted to catch a continuation to this low. Now, of course, it could have gone lower. But I'm not trying to stay up till 12 a.m., 2 a.m. watching my trade. I got work tomorrow. And of course, take your bread and leave. This is the most obvious target that you could secure your profits because it could have easily reversed here. Okay, but into the actual setup. I wanted to see continuations here. We didn't, and I'm gonna tell you guys why I didn't wait for a fair value gap here. So first of all, this leg is pretty balanced. Like most gaps have been tapped. I think this is the only unmitigated. Even on the 15-minute. Well, I guess there's a 15-minute unmitigated right here, but this gap was actually mitigated on the 15-minute. But anyways, we're coming higher, and I wanted to see this swing high and this swing low. I wanted to see an OTE setup play out of it. If you guys don't know what this is, it's a level. These are levels used when market wants to retrace. And of course, it's not going to play out every time, but if you back test it, the market does respect these levels. So it was going over my level a little bit, so I wanted to see it close in between this yellow line and this yellow line. This is called the golden zone. Many traders use it to catch continuations. Okay, I've used it plenty of times, and I really liked it in this scenario. So right here, I obviously caught the golden zone. One thing I really liked about this is that we actually had a resweep of this high, so we had some true manipulation criteria, and then it was actually really scary because obviously I entered a little, not like late, but like we were right here after this inverse, and I put my limit order like right here, and it was going off without me, and it came up and went lower. Damn, that was actually kind of a mean ass entry. And I'm thinking about it, I could have had a 6-point stop and not have gotten stopped out. But yeah, almost zero drawdown. Again, confluences for this trade were OTE of swing low, swing high. We had an IFVG. Overall directional bias was heavily bearish. Too much targets below to not take out before continuing higher. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I am not going to trade this AM session because even if I did trade, I'd only be allowed to make a small amount because of my daily P&L from last night. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned in. I will probably be trading AM session for the next 2 days. If something presents itself. If not, I will obviously stick to Asia. Asia's been really nice this week. Way better than New York AM. But yeah, we shall see. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys later.